They say love hides behind every corner. I must be walking in circles. Love is not about finding the perfect person, it's about realizing that an imperfect person can make your life perfect. You are my 1 in 6 billion. Once you stop looking for what you want, you find what you need. Stop looking for a partner. Focus on your goals and rebuilding your life. The right person will eventually find their way to you. You will never find the right person if you cannot let go of the wrong one. Love is not finding someone to live with, it's finding someone you cannot live without, and then my soul saw you and it kind of went, oh, there you are. I have been looking for you. One day, someone will walk into your life and make you see why it never worked out with anyone else. The flower does not dream of the bee. The flower blooms and the bee comes when it's time for souls to meet. There's nothing on earth that can prevent them from meeting, no matter where each may be located. One day I am going to wake up, roll over on my side and kiss the love of my life. Good morning. Don't fall in love with someone who says the right things, you will look back and know exactly why it had to happen. You don't find love, it finds you. It's got a little bit to do with destiny and what's written in the stars. You attract the right things when you have a sense of who you are. Do not chase people, work hard and be you. The right people who belong in your life will come find you and stay. Do your thing. Don't ignore the love you do have in your life by focusing on the love you don't. Love does not care to define and is never in a hurry to do so. Love may be harder to find in some people, but when they do love you, know it must be something marvelous. We waste time looking for the perfect lover instead of creating the perfect love. How far should a person go in the name of true love? Love is not something you find. Love is something that finds you. Maybe love is like luck. You have to go all the way to find it.